Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to use hand grippers. First, understand that these tools are fantastic for building forearm and grip strength. To begin, choose a gripper with a resistance level that allows you to complete about 5 to 10 repetitions with good form. Proper placement is key. Ensure the gripper sits deep in your palm, with the ends resting against your fingers. This setup ensures maximum leverage and muscle engagement. Once you have your gripper, let's dive into some essential exercises. The full close is fundamental. Squeeze the handles together until they touch, then control the release. For negatives, close the gripper with both hands, then slowly release it with just one hand over 3 to 5 seconds. Finally, holds are excellent for endurance. Close the gripper and maintain that closed position for 10 to 15 seconds before releasing. To continue building your grip strength, consider these advanced techniques. Partial repetitions involve squeezing the gripper through only part of its range of motion, focusing on your sticking points. Overcrushing means applying extra force even after the handles touch, maximizing muscle activation. Remember to gradually increase the gripper's resistance. When you can comfortably complete 10 to 12 reps, it's time to move up to a stronger gripper. When using hand grippers, avoid common pitfalls like overtraining, which can lead to injury. Give your hands and forearms at least 48 hours of rest between intense sessions. Also, always prioritize controlled, smooth movements over fast, jerky reps to prevent strain and ensure proper muscle engagement. And speaking of reading anywhere, check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, along with other great deals you won't want to miss.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.